So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lebo back with another video. Check me out. So I was joining the gaming club. Your boy gamer now. I got this, I don't know what its name is called, like Vogish or Vogish. This is case. It's a middle ATX tower. This is how it's supposed to look. I guess when all said and done. Like I said, I don't know too much about this, but my boy's gonna teach me. And basically go from there. All right, now we got the box. About to do some unboxing. It's a pretty big case, huh? Today's New Year. All right. Oh shit. That's good. So I got the case right here.
What up, YouTube?
My boy right there. Oh, I done broke something. But I got the case right here. Basically, I guess this is where you put all the cool stuff. Obviously, this is where you put your fans and stuff at. I'm gonna give y'all a good look and like take more videos to record around it so y'all can see more in detail. But it looks pretty good to me, my first build, all black. But I'm gonna do a lot of colors in it, so we'll go from there. And I know y'all probably see the GTR behind me. I'll show y'all videos of that soon. It's my boy car.
You looked in my eyes, said you was down the run. Now it's time to say goodbye to you and to all your lies. How could you tell me lies? How could you tell me lies?